Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add row in Excel. Okay, so if you want to add row in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a table. Okay, here you will see this is product list and this is the year list and this is sale of the that product in particular year. Okay, so as I have forget to add one row, means one product here, so I want to add it between 3 and 4. Okay, so if you want to add any row between two numbers, so you have to select the next number. Okay, as I want to uh, add row between 3 and 4, so what I have to do, I have to select the fourth number. Okay, and if you want to add row between fourth and fifth, so you have to select fifth number. Okay, so as I want to add third and fourth, between third and fourth, so I have to select fourth number, select it, and then you have to just right click here and you have to just click on insert. Okay, so like this you can insert a row or add a row in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.